What's up, Johnny? What's up? A good.
We don't get. There ain't none of that ghetto shit over here, dog. There ain't none of that ghetto shit over here. There was only one place, La Rosas, and that's just gone.
No. What you want what, a place to go eat with like a pool table or some shit? Go to 1-800-Lucky's, bro.
Oh yeah, damn, that's straight, yeah.
Take her 1-800-Lucky's.
Wait, I'm out of here, dog.
Is that good?
Fire, dog. She's gonna love it.
And what, you can just chill there, they got music and food, right?
Yeah, that's why we out of here now.
Huh?
Espérate.
Where you guys fishing, bro?
In the Glades, nigga. Where do you think we're fishing at? Where do we always fish,
I'm
dog?
gonna stop listening to you. I'm the fucking captain, nigga.
Yes. Are you fucking gonna come next weekend or no? I'm using your rod right now. Yeah, you have to come, dog. You know. We're not gonna be able to use that boat like I told you, so we gotta go rent the boat. But look, we could do
1-800-Lucky.
Yeah.
23rd.
23rd. Dale. Yeah, I can. You want to put music? Go ahead. Feel free. It'd be nice.
There's too many talents. I'm not that talented.
Much things?
Yeah.
No, go ahead. You're way in life.
I think we can fish good here, though. It's just gonna should push us that way. We could both cast. You fucking pussy.
What happened?
Fucking Richard's already coming back.
Yeah. You already hit me up too.
I'm like, oh, you're a fucking pussy, nigga. He's telling us to go with him.
We're still here too. The sun is all the way up there, dog.
No, but the shit comes down earlier though. It really does. At 7:15, it's gonna be dark though. 7:20, 7:30, the latest is gonna be dark, like dark.
He wants to go home because he's got.
Ooh, come on, man, let him eat it. Ooh. Okay, you hurry up and get that tilapia.
Those blow up, dog? Had to be tilapia, bro.
I don't know, one of them looked like a bass, nigga. That shit was dark. Right now, frog. Hold on, put it in. Or go over me. Go over me. Alright, I think the battery's dead. And the water's cold, dog. I think it should be biting, dog. Yeah, it's dying.